How to make a bug hotel. For this project, you need a small plastic container, cardboard tubes, straws, pipe cleaners, thin cardboard, recycled paper, and scissors. If you want to make rooms in your bug hotel, you can make something like this called a slot. We're going to start by tracing the bottom of our container because it's more of a square shape, but if your container is a different size, you might have to change up how you make this. We're going to make two pieces that are the same exact size, and after we're done tracing, we're going to cut them out on the lines. Now we're going to take those two equal pieces and cut halfway down the middle of each one, then stack these two slots on top of each other to make that X shape. Now let's fill up each room. You can do a lot of different options. In one of the rooms, I pressed down and folded a cardboard tube. Another, I took some straws, cut them in half. And then I used a pipe cleaner to wrap around the straws to keep them connected. Crumpling recycled paper can be another great option to add to your bug hotel. And even cutting out some small rectangles out of cardboard and then rolling them up into almost like a cinnamon roll shape, that can be another great room addition. Now all your recycled materials are in place, it's time to add things from nature. Try adding in grass, leaves, sticks, rocks, bark. Not this kind of bark. And once your bug hotel is filled up, place it in a spot that would attract those pollinators.